So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to enable discrete mode here on the Questrade application. So as you can tell right here, where it says total equity combined in CAD, I actually do have this turned on in discrete mode. So this basically means that when you open up the app, it's not going to tell you what it is, even though below it does say combined in CAD. As you can tell, I have $10. But if you go ahead and press on the I that has the slash through it, just like this, I now have it turned on and the eye is normal. Now if you want to turn it off, you can press on that. Another way you can do it as well is to go to the top left, press on the three lines, then go to where it says settings right here in the middle at the top. Then go down to where it says trusted devices or investing. Simply go ahead and press on investing right here. Now where it says display discrete mode, high total equity on the home screen, if you were to go ahead and turn this off just like this, if it were to go back to the home screen, as you can tell, it is now turned on. If I go to the top left, press on settings, and then go to where it says investing, and then turn this back on. If I were to go back to the main screen, I now have the option to toggle between the two this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to enable discrete mode here on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.